I've been so alone ever since I left the tribe. That's just how it goes, guess I like the lonely vibe.
Hey guys, what's going on? Gonna have a quick install video for you guys today on the Neon. So you're probably thinking like, hey, what's this, right? So here's the thing. I originally ordered these for the Trailblazer and was gonna get these in. These are LED headlights. They are, or LED bulbs. They're 6K or 6,000 Kelvin LEDs. They are, I think they're 1,020 watt, but I think that's per light. I don't know. They're pretty high wattage LED bulb. Now I ordered them for the Trailblazer because with the tint and everything, it's getting hard to see. And I used to have HIDs in the Trailblazer, but took those out and put stock bulbs back in it. It's just not bright enough for me. Plus, this just looks cool because they're bright white. Well, I feel dumb because I got these in, you know, and I went to put them in the Trailblazer. I had my camera all set up, was recording. Put them into the headlight socket, went to plug it in, and I was like, oh, well, this ain't the right connection. It's 3-pin instead of 2-pin. And then I went back and looked online, and these are 9007 or 9007 style bulbs. And I don't know what I was thinking, but the Trailblazer takes 9006. So I don't know where I messed up on that. But thankfully, the Neon takes 9007 style headlights. So these should theoretically go right in. And instead of wasting my money or sending them back, I just ordered another set, same ones that will go in the Trailblazer, but they're the right plug this time. What's really funny about this is also the fog lights in the Neon and the Trailblazer are the same. They're the same 880 bulb. So I have LEDs coming for both of those too now. So real quick, let me just pop this open so we can check them out. So yeah, so they're all fancy. They've got like the fan on the back, and they're triple sided. Now, and the other funny thing is, let me see if I can get this to focus in on this a little bit better. So the other funny thing about this is I was reading on there how like for normal running lights, like these two come on, and then for highs the third one comes on. And I read all of that and still ordered them and didn't even think for 2 seconds to realize, hello, these are dual purpose bulbs. They're not, you know, they're 3-pin. You know, they're for cars that take, you know, single bulb does, you know, normal low beams and high beams. I have no idea where I messed up on that. Probably the lack of sleep, and it was 8 o'clock in the morning at work. So yeah, we're gonna go throw these in and see how they look. So I just want to give you a quick shot real quick. This is what it looks like right now. Just a normal bulb in the headlights, and then I do have I think they're 10K blue LEDs here in the fogs. They're cheap ones. I don't even remember with wattage or anything, but yeah, so that's what it looks like right now with a normal bulb in the headlight. So let's get these LEDs in and see what it looks like afterwards. Alright, so here they are with them installed. The huge difference. Huge difference. I do have to adjust them a little bit. They're not perfectly centered, and like the up and down adjustment is not right, which I will later. But to give you a quick idea, like they're, you know, it's white, and it's not like that. It's not, obviously it's not an incandescent bulb, but I mean it is pure white. It gives the headlight a super cool look at night. I'm not gonna lie. And then like look at this, like crazy amount of light, like so much brighter. So I'm gonna go take it for a cruise real quick so I can see how it is when you actually drive it. But I'm telling you, it's something else. I love it. So yeah, this is a quick install. Super easy to do on the Neons. It's just this little white like clip that you just twist and the light pops out, and then you feed that one in and twist the clip. So and I was right, so 2 of the LEDs light up and the 1 doesn't, and then when you put your highs on, all 3 light up. So there's the ring around the light that you adjust, or that is adjustable, so that you can adjust to make you can alter where the two that are on your normals are in the light to the best of your liking, which probably going to put mine towards down like this. So there's a little Allen wrench that comes with it, and Allen screws that you can unloosen and turn that so that you can get it so that the two are set there, or however you want it, but you can adjust them so that they're they're pretty much flat. And then sorry, people driving by. And then you can also obviously adjust the angle of the headlight, but it's funny because you already can hear the fans going. At least I can. I don't know if you can from the mic, but they are going, which is hilarious. So we'll see how this looks, but yeah, you can see like the left one is a little bit farther down than the right, so I don't want to be blinding people, but I want to be able to see. So it's really honestly not, like, in person it's not that bad at all, but also the car is angled down. Yeah, so I'll have to adjust it, but there you go.